Damn, not bad for the AOS. So I think I should do a cover video in case anybody wants to know the location for the hoses for a 2008 to a 2014 Subaru WRX. Now the first top left line goes straight into the hard line of the turbo. The second line goes straight into the
crossover pipe.
Yeah, the crossover pipe for the passenger side. The third one goes straight into the 90 degree fitting
where the blow-by sensor was.
Yes, where the blow-by sensor was, right there. And then this top one that's right over here, the one that threads in, this routes straight into the hard vacuum nipple on the intake manifold right next to the throttle body.
Right.
And then the second one down, which is the one that's right there, goes straight into the breather hose, the valve cover, breather port for the passenger side valve covers. Goes right there, and it goes on the slot closest right here to the front of the bumper. This one right here. Yeah. So which line? This is the second. So now we're on the third one. This guy right here goes driver's side breather port to the valve cover. So it's the longest line right here. So if we follow it, it ends up right here again, closest to the front of the bumper of the car. Right, this guy right here, right here. Now the third one down, which is this guy right here, goes straight into the top of the Y fitting, which is right here. So we have a little extension, what it told us to do, because we have a bigger Tomei intercooler. He has the Grimspeed one, so we added this extension right here. So right there, straight into the third one. And then lastly, the one in the very bottom, right here. Let's see if the camera picks it up right here. Goes in the bottom side of the Y plastic fitting. So the Y fitting is right here. So it's this entire compartment right here. This is the top and this is the bottom right here. The Y fitting is right here. So you see the Y? Bam. And this one right here. So this is just the spacer or the extension hose. And then we connected it to a fitting right here. So this is the bottom one. The one on the bottom goes straight to the very bottom. That's it. Not bad, huh? Yeah, there needs to be more videos about this for sure. Oh, check out this bad boy. Or this bad girl. What do you? Is it a boy or a girl?
It identifies itself as a unisex.
All right. So there are the NTO3s. Nice.